Okay, so let's have a look at challenge number 56. The setup for the challenge is actually quite easy. We have some kind of social media post. We try to pass out some kind of tags within the uh, text. Then we want to link that to the individual username. What we probably have 20 rows, some text with different language, base language. Let's have a look. So in the end, we want pass out some kind of tags. They didn't say anything about what kind of tags to go, so probably all the hashtags will be used. You have strings, that probably indicate we can do something about the header. Because ID string we have in as a column format. The text, we have all kinds of characters in there. Uh, but we know for human tutor, hashtag is a special character, so anything follows special character. No space. Maybe we can just probably just regex. Let's see what kind of things we can get out of it. So we're going to handle to the text. We don't care anything. We just want to capture anything followed by a hashtag. Slash w plus word characters. We don't tokenize. Yeah, we don't know how many you're going to have. Let's say pass. How many do we get? So that's fun. We're one, two. So we're five tags. There's probably more tags. We're not passing it correctly. Let's tokenize instead. Tokenize to rows. Let's see. Because we have the ID string, so make life easier to pivot back if we have multiple characters. 23, follow me, JP. Okay, looks like the correct amount of tags we're getting. Among those who care, text is not now. Eight rows, that's good. That's kind of things we're expecting. Eight rows. So you have a 3, 10, 16, 17. 3, 10, 16, 17. Okay, that's good. They want to call the header to be ID string with a number. Let's format our headers. The formula, we're gonna say we're still gonna probably use ID string. Let's call the header, just call a new character. We're gonna have an ID and string underscore plus the ID string number itself. It's a bit, so we need a plus two string. So ID string. So that should form a unique colon. What we're gonna get, we want hashtag. Yeah, we don't actually care which user that is. We just want to count how many times those hashtag happen in different strings. So this should create an additional column. Then we can do the pivoting header. The hashtag probably is the group by term. Let's give it a try. So we have long format, long to wide. Hashtag should be, what's the column for the hashtag? It's called a text. So the header should be the header row, the value. And the value can be anything really. We just want like a kind of indicator. Let's probably use the username for now. Okay, let's get in. Kind of the middle, the top, the middle, middle, top, middle. Yep. So that's kind of the things we're getting. Now, of course, they are using as indicator rather than a string. We can replace everything. So multi-field. We're going to replace all the text column, everything except the first text, not the new column. A regular F is fine. It's empty. If the current field is empty, we'll give a 0, else we'll give a 1. Ooh, I feel like popping the quotation on zero once. Oh, it's okay. Otherwise, I was expecting a conversion error, but it seems to be fine. The last column, they wanted the total, so just a standard formula. In this case, we only have four columns, so it's not too bad. Realistically, I probably would suggest we do some kind of pivoting, pivot out ID stream vertical, do the aggregation with a summarize, then pivot back. So for this term, let's just, let's think. Yeah, it's a little bit long way because at the moment it's a string, so I want to convert it to digits, then do the summation, then convert a string. That may be a bit long. Let's go a little bit more dynamic way. It's always good to practice more dynamically. So we're gonna it's wide to long. So we have a wide format to long format. So still group by text, we'll pivot all the string characters. That will probably change the strings. That's fine. Formula. Mm, probably select is fine. With a single column or value. Let's change to the int. Then we can do a summarize. We want to group by for each text. Uh, we just want a total, so sum of value should be fine. That's good. Do, 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 do. We can just go back to do a join field. That's a regular data. We can just join at text level. So it's like row level. Text, text, text. We don't care text, so they call it total. And that should give the final answer. So everything has a one, at least once, of course, because we pivoted out using parsing. Strings match up, strings match up. Yeah, it looks good. And that is for this challenge. So overall, it's not too bad for the challenge. We only have one hashtag. Usually in Twitter, you probably have multiple hashtags. Then in that case, tokenize two rows. It's a very helpful way of doing that. Just make sure you keep track of the group item. Then I think the workflow should be able to handle as many columns as required. And thanks for watching.